Hello guys. Hi guys, and well, really he went away from me. Okay. Well, here we are. And yes, I'm just gonna like not should I really what the okay, sorry, I'm just so mad. Really? OMG, I'm just so freaking mad. Okay, well, here we are. Something happened. We are going to do the stop scamming program. And like, really random day. Oh, okay, we're gonna do stop scamming program with me and my friends. And I just lost my voice. Oh my gosh, Lily, there's some of my friends. I just lost my voice. Okay, to Duke. Oh, to Duke 44. Hi, Jake. Hi, Jake. Hi. How are you doing? How are you doing, to Duke? Sorry, I don't know. In real life. Haley. My boyfriend, Dolly Bird 234, which suddenly ran off to someone's den. And Abby Horsey, one of my friends. Oh, and my workers on Hippo Berry. Well, yeah, that's basically. I'm just gonna give you a little tour of my cupcake shop. Review. I just fixed it. I need one more cash register to go at the end. Finally complete the dream. Oh, I finally got a ham. And soon, good news, I'm going to be soon doing a video on my dog talking and a little review. Let me see. Who do I want to go stalk? Stalk. Yeah, I was stalking people yesterday. Oops. Don't look at my inventory. I'm sorry. Cupcake cat. I'm not happy. Oh, sorry. No! Mustache! What? You did not see a thing, world. Hurrah. Well, once and what? Why am I playing with my hair? Oh, yeah. Okay, this is big news. Yeah, I'm soon getting. I forgot. I need my friend to tell me. Wait. She needs to remind me on my update. Okay, you're on video. Stalk. Let's stalk him. Hi. Video is still on. Video's still on. So, yeah. And yeah, you're on camera. Say now. You're now on my channel. Oops, just is walking in. It's gonna be loud. We're just gonna say, you're now on my channel. Oh, he said hello. The world said hi. The world said hi. Okay, and oh, I wish I still have my oxy, and now it's about to come back. You know, because we're about to move back to England. Oh, and here's another one of my friends. These two are brother and sister. No, really, in real life, they're brother and sister. It's creepy. Oh, and hey, look, oh, well, finally. Thank you. You're awesome. You're awesome. It's awesome. You get a shout out. You get a free shout out. You get a free shout out. Yeah. Well, thank you. You're kind. You're kind. Free shout out. Okay, let's keep this thing up. Well, I don't know. Yeah, you got a shout out. You got a shout out. Well, I guess let me see what. Well, duh. I feel like a creeper right now on Minecraft. This is like a weird random video. I came up out of the top of my head just to do something. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. I just spilled my Dr. Pepper. I'm gonna die. On the carpet. Die. I don't say anything. I don't make another video. I'm probably dead. JK! I'm sorry. Oh well, say hi to the world. Oh, this one my employees. I know all my employees, they wear their cupcake hats. And they all are the same colors. Wow. That's just weird. Well, I think that's all. I can just do a random thing. Here, let's just dance. Hop. I'm sorry for the lack of videos. I was at my grandpa's. Just to go on vacation. I had to go all the way to Nashville and to go see my grandpa. He's a big goofball. Oh well, okay. Just let him trade already. We got stuff to do. If you have, I'm really looking for pigtails, any kind of pigtails, or purple rare pigtails. If you have purple rare pigtails, please tell me what you would trade for them, please. Just put it in the comments. I really want to know. I need to know. Or just, send a jammergram for me and I'll buddy you and we can trade, because I really need to know. Like, I want rare pigtails so bad. I'm a goofball. Yeah. I'm a goofball. And I did not get hacked. I just sent my stuff to another account. Because my grandma. Oops. And, sorry. Sorry, I'm looking up hackers. Oh, well, clearly he got banned. Why am I? The DJ thing, dude. He rocks the DJ. Well, I like your style. Free shout out for your style. So they know, well, you are soon going to be on YouTube. Say hi. You know, on my channel. Oh, also give you a shout out. I went to read this Earl person. Oh, thank you. Okay, well, kind of what I'm recording right now, dude. It's on my list. Dude. Oh, I want to. Oh, sorry. Okay. And also another thing is, I am going to be doing a new video called, I'm making up a Jamal song. The song is for Animal to him to stop scamming, and I do not know why, but I read the lyrics and here's the part. Let me pause and get the lyrics. Okay, it's the middle part and it's go, ooh ah, everything I'm sharing in the world spins round and round. Ow! Bam. What? I'm so happy. I can't believe I'm gonna be singing. And if you would like to see my husky, like this video, and he will be in my next video. If literally, I'm just gonna do a review on something I buy. Well, bye. I remember.